Good morning to you all. Today I'll start a new chapter, that is urbanization. Now first we will do the introduction. Urbanization refers to a process in which an increasing proportion of an entire population lives in cities and the suburbs of cities. Now the meaning of the suburbs is outskirt of the city. Urbanization occurs because people move from rural areas to urban areas. Industrialization leads to urbanization by creating economic growth and job opportunity that draw people to cities. Urban areas are areas that offer employment, food, shelter, good transport services, commercial services, medical services, and education to their inhabitants. Inhabitants means a person that lives in a place. Today, around 55% of the world population is thought to be living in an urban area or city. Now we will do causes of urbanization. There are various causes responsible for the growth of cities. Now under causes of urbanization, first point is industrialization. It is one of the major causes of urbanization. Growth of industries has expanded the employment opportunities. As a result, rural people have migrated to cities due to better employment opportunities. Second point, search of better job. In rural areas, people have to depend on agriculture for their livelihood, but the main problem is that agriculture is basically dependent on natural factors, that is climate and rainfall. Therefore, in drought conditions or natural calamities, rural people have to migrate to cities and towns. Third point, modernization. Urban areas have the advantage of better infrastructure, sophisticated technology, better transport and communication facilities, better education and medical facilities. Fourth point, boundary changes. As cities expanded, the outlying rural areas are included in the urban areas, leading to the expansion of cities and towns. Fifth point, natural increase in population. The number by which the birth rate exceeds the death rate gives the natural growth rate. The natural increase in population is also responsible for rapid urbanization. Now, in urban areas, the growth rate is probably higher than the rural areas. Besides this, due to better health and medical facilities, the survival rate is also higher. This is increasing population in urban areas. Now we will see impacts of urbanization. Positive impacts of urbanization. Urbanization has certain positive effects if it is happened within the appropriate limits. First point, creation of employment opportunities. As more and more people move to cities and towns, more employment opportunities are created in urban centers. Second, convenience. Urbanization gives more access to education, access, opportunity to use, health, social services and cultural activities to people in cities than in villages. Compared to villages, life in cities is more comfortable. Third point, concentration of educational facilities. In cities, more schools, colleges and universities are established to train. Train means to teach and develop human resources. Variety of educational choices are available and students have a wide choice for their future career. Next point, better social integration. Integration means the intermixing of people who were previously divided. In case of urbanization, people of many castes and religious groups live and work together. This creates better understanding among people and helps break down social cultural barriers. Barriers means obstacles in the society. Next point is exploitation. Exploitation of resources. Exploitation means the action of making use and benefiting from it. Many settlements are established where the natural resources are available. Transport and communication facilities. With urbanization, more development of transport and communication facilities takes place. Next point, increase in the standard of living. Movement people from rural to urban areas increase their standard of living and quality of life. Now we will see the negative impacts of urbanization. Extensive urbanization and indiscriminate. Indiscriminate means done without careful judgment. Growth of cities and towns may result in negative effects. Now under this, first point is problem of overpopulation. Concentration of population becomes a major problem in cities and towns due to overcrowding. This leads to accommodation problem and growth of slums. Second point, disintegration of joint family. Disintegration means breaking into parts. Due to high cost of living in the cities, it becomes difficult to maintain joint families. Thus, families are divided due to urbanization. People prefer to live in the nuclear families. Nuclear means a couple and their dependent children regarded as a basic social unit. Next point is high cost of living. This is one of the major problems in the cities, especially in metro cities like New York, Tokyo, Mumbai, Bangalore. It becomes difficult for the lower income groups to maintain a decent standard of living. Next point, increase in crime rate. Due to higher concentration of population, the crime rate also increases. There are more thefts, dacoity, pickpocketing, murder, etc. This creates unrest in the society. Individual life. In cities, the concept of neighborhood and community life are almost absent. Urban life is highly monotonous. Monotonous is dull, lacking in variety and interest. This may have a negative psychological effects on individuals. People have no concern for the other human being as they are more self-centered. Next point, environmental pollution. Localization of industries creates the problem of population. Besides this, excessive movement of vehicles also create a lot of problems. All these have the harmful effects on the life of the people. Next point, water and sanitation problems. In overpopulated areas, it is common to find inadequate sewage facilities. As a result, sanitation becomes a problem and sewages flow chaotically and they are drained into neighboring streams, rivers, lakes or seas. Communicable diseases. Communicable means disease which can pass to others, such as plague, typhoid, dysentery and diarrhea may spread, causing suffering and even death. Stress. Urban life is characterized by stress and strain in family relation. In cities, due to high cost of living, women are also working. This creates pressure and stress in the family and strain family relations. Urbanization has its own advantages and disadvantages, but it is a fact that urbanization cannot be avoided. Thank you.